Thank you. So we dropped our YouTube stream. So that's what we're trying to fix right now.
Oh, no wonder I can't see.
But we're recording now. So if our stream doesn't come back, we can post this to our YouTube channel. How versatile are we? Because I don't know what to do with a dropped stream. We are beyond my expertise. So, do you want to? I don't know what else to do. I think we just go with it.
Yeah, because this is all that comes out. I had a picture before. Probably 3 people would.
I'm gonna try one more time. So sorry about that. We're gonna just keep going.
Do you want to try and do it on Zoom? Maybe people will go over to Zoom.
I think by the time people got over it would be. I think we'll record it and put it up. Okay. So welcome. Welcome to Olympia Brown Unitarian Universalist Church. I am the Reverend Danielle Lindstrom. My pronouns she, hers, and it is good to be together on this absolutely gorgeous morning at this absolutely beautiful park. This morning we are honoring and celebrating our interdependence by blessing and sharing love with the animals that are all around us, including our stuffies. Did we bring some stuffies too? Yes, because they bring us joy and comfort. May we take time to share gratitude for the animals we love, the animals that love us back, most of the time if you have a cat, the animals we have lost but have left footprints on our hearts, the animals we see out our windows in National Geographic. All of the animals of our world are important. Each serves a purpose. Each matters. So we will begin our service with shared ritual, imagining lighting a gorgeous flame on our chalice. So we are imagining we are lighting this beautiful flame in honor of our place in the interdependent web of all existence, our human place, our place in relationship with the plants, the animals, all living things that surround us and make our world more beautiful and also possible. Our opening reading is When Your Best Friend Has 4 or So Legs by Reverend Teresa Soto. What it means to have a pet is to love someone who speaks a language you do not. A dog will bow and prance, a cat will purr and blink, a guinea pig will giggle and squeak. A long time ago, a friend of mine had a dog with soft ears and considered herself the pup's guardian. A gentle way to think of protecting and caring for a friend. Such a small gesture of respect for a source of boundless love. The dog's long pink tongue lolling in a goofy grin. The cat convinced that kneading and grooming are crucial to this day. A bird asking for a treat, bending a wing to wave. These are friends. These are loves. It's kind of a surprise that you should love someone so much who would eat butter off the table if they could get away with it, and get endless hair on the sofa when they aren't even supposed to be on the furniture. When they are called companion animals, it's such an open and tender truth. The endless cuddles and tricks and loyalty. the comfort of fingers to fur and big, adoring eyes. These are friends. They are loves. They stretch our hearts and fill them with their abundance of kindness. When they are gone, our hearts remain larger. Though their absence leaves room for expanses of grief, their love companions us still. Brian is going to lead us in singing We Give Thanks.
Again, if you are familiar with this, you may sing along with me. We'll do it 3 times as well. I'll do it once, and then you can join. Oh, we give thanks for this precious day, for all gathered here, for those far away, for this time we share with love and care. Oh, we give thanks for this precious day. Sing along with me if you want to. Oh, we give thanks for this precious day, for all gathered here and those far away, for this time we share with love and care. Oh, we give thanks for this precious day. Oh, we give thanks for this precious day, for all gathered here and those far away, for this time we share with love and care. Oh, we give thanks for this precious day. Oh, we give thanks for this precious day, for all gathered here and those far away, for this time we share with love and care. Oh, we give thanks for this precious day.
So, blessing for the animals around us are words adapted from the Reverend Suza Lynch. Ours is a world alive and allowed with the presence of creatures and critters. Animals abound, interwoven in our human lives and wholly independent of us. This is part of the interdependent web of existence of which we are all a part. Some of us have known animals who have saved our lives. Sometimes this is metaphor. Sometimes it is literal fact. For many of us, we are better human animals because we have known animals as part of our life's story. And so today, we bless the animals, those known to us and by us and all around us. We give thanks for animal companionship in our lives and on this earth. Some animals are our stuffies, our toys, sometimes reminders of our pet cats and dogs that go with us when our pet cats and dogs cannot. Others are animals we cannot know as pets, but they remind us to be brave and beautiful and bold. Sometimes they remind us of our imagination. If you have brought a stuffy this morning, will you bring it forward right now and we will do a blessing?
Okay, and what is this stuffy's name? Fidiko. And what is Fidiko?
Beauty Coco.
Say it one more time.
Beauty Coco.
Beauty Coco. And who is this?
It's Pigeon.
It's Pigeon?
Pigeon.
Pigeon.
Pigeon the adorable.
Pigeon the adorable. And what do they both bring for you? Do they make you feel safe?
Very safe when I have an adorable squishy cat.
And warm?
I like this because I I don't have to worry about my cat clawing me to death when I hug it.
You can hold this cat, huh? And you
Yeah,
can hug
our
them.
other cat, we can't really. He will kill you.
So can we say thank you for your love and for your support and for your care?
I think I gave this cat more love than it gave me.
So we know as Unitarian Universalists that blessing is the work of community, right? So will you hold your plushies up into the air? And we are all going to say after me, we give thanks for your care and comfort. Can we all say that? Some animals are our dearest companions. Dogs and cats, hamsters and guinea pigs, parakeets and cockatiels, pet rats and hedgehogs, horses, alpacas, turtles, lizards, aquarium fish, butterflies we raise and release, and so many more. If you brought your animal with you, I'm going to come to you. I think that's easier with all the puppies, right? If I come to you rather than coming forward. So I'm going to come to you and share a brief blessing. And Gregory is going to turn the camera for us. Thank you, Gregory. Okay. Can you say Charlie? Charlie! Charlie, you are beautiful, and we are so grateful that you are here. Thank you for your love and your companionship. Charlie, come over here. And who is this? Sadie. Sadie. Good morning, Sadie. We are so grateful you are here. Thank you for your love and for your companionship and all that you bring to your family. Who else is here? Who else is here? Over here. And we met last year. Macy. Macy, it's good to see you again, girl. Yes, you are full of kisses. Beautiful. And we are so grateful for your love and for your companionship. And who do we have here? This is Toby. Toby, I think we met last year too, didn't we? Hi, Toby. Hi. Yes, you are so sweet and handsome, and we are so grateful for your love and for your companionship and for your care and for your kisses. Yes. All right, and we have Poodle Corner. All right, and who is this? Bonnie. Hi, Bonnie. You are beautiful. We are so grateful for your love and for your care and for your companionship. You're so sweet. Okay. Romy. Oh, did I scare you? I'm sorry. Hi, Romy. You are beautiful. And we are so grateful for your love, for your care, for your companionship. It's good to see you. And I think that's all of the animals that we brought this morning. And we know, as Unitarian Universalists, blessing is the work of community. So I invite you to say with me, we bless these animals and we give thanks.
We bless these animals and we give thanks.
Some animals we have known and loved in the past. They journeyed with us, and though now gone, will always be present in our memories. These animals that left their footprints on our hearts, those whom we have loved and lost, those that saved our lives, changed us for the better, our love for them remains. If you have lost a pet or an animal in your life, I invite you to come forward, say their name aloud, and add a stone to the water.
This is Hester and Marilla. I had them for nearly a third of my life, so they were really a part of my life, and I still miss them.
Muffy. I lost him 2 years ago, and I brought him to these events, and I miss him dearly. And okay, this is Muffy, and I lost him 2 years ago, and he's been to this event in the past at the church, and I have a picture of him in my kitchen cabinet, and I keep asking him if he wants to come back in some other form, and he hasn't responded yet.
That was my family pet history. Others have animals that we have loved and we have lost.
Frank has the couple.
Frank, I'm going to come to you so you can tell us their names.
The last one was named Fuzzy.
Fuzzy, so we're going to add a stone for Fuzzy, who was a big sweet boy, wasn't he? So this one is for Fuzzy.
That one is for Casey, who was a member of our family for 15, 16 years. David also loved Casey. But her remains are up by our cottage up north where she's eternally chasing red squirrels.
For Mary Beth's dogs, both Baron, her last dog, and the dog before that, Buddy. They were both perfect dogs. And we'll miss them both and hopefully be with them soon.
That one was for Muffins. She was my hamster. She had a very short life, but she was incredible.
All right, so there's 4 in there for 2 dogs and 2 cats, but I want to say especially for Vinny, who was the cat that I got when I was in grade school and was with me till after I got married.
This one is for Rory, who was my heart. Some of you met Rory. Thank you. Sorry. She died 3 years ago in July of kidney failure, which I worked very hard to keep her alive for 5 years, but finally she succumbed. And I said there's no way I could replace her. Well, he was born 1 month later, and I have a dog again. And he's wonderful. He's just different.
Three stones would be for our first 3 cats we had, Tuffy, Taffy, and Tiggy, and our poodle Gus, who passed away in 2015. We now have a cat and a dog, Benny and Izzy, but I didn't bring them with.
I'll do one for the numerous amount of goldfish and other fishes that we have lost that we lost count of.
Of course, Gregory, you can mention your living cats.
After Marilla passed away, I vowed I would never have pets again because going through that heartache was just horrible, horrible. And a month later, I ended up with these two, Hensley and Marisol, Maris for short, they kind of found me. And so I've had them a little over 3 years.
We'll add one last stone for those who will be joining us later, for all of those pets that are on our hearts. We have another one. Come on. Another live kitty. Of course, we brought pictures of the live kitties at home, didn't we? Okay, tell us who this is.
Fredo?
All right, we'll put Fredo right up here, too.
Maybe put a stone so it doesn't.
We'll put a stone so that we don't lose Fredo. As Unitarian Universalists, blessing is the work of community. Will you repeat after me? We bless these animals and we give thanks for their memories. We bless these animals and we give thanks for their memories. Now we know that animals are not only cute and cuddly companions of solace and delight. Animals are deeply and beautifully wild, living lives separate from our human lives. And animals have the capacity to defend and to kill, even the ones we have pronounced tame. May we always be respectful of the wild ways of animals, unknown and known. Will you repeat? We bless these animals too, and we give thanks.
We bless these animals too, and we give thanks.
I invite you to join me in the spirit of prayer and meditation. Spirit of life, it is good to be together on this beautiful summer day. Let us begin in gratitude. Gratitude for each and every one of us gathered here. May we be reminded of our interdependence, our deep need for one another and the animals all around us. We lift into this love the animals we cherish, celebrate, the ones we miss dearly, and also the animals that suffer, deep human cruelty, those whose habitats have been stolen and built upon without respect to our shared mutual existence. We lift into this love the animals who work for us and with us, or who lend us their hair or feathers or fleece or milk or eggs that we might be sustained. They are animals whom we raise or hunt, whose lives are sacrificed that we may eat or cover our bodies. May we always work to have such sacrifice be compassionate and respectful. May we move ever closer to the ideal of living more lightly on the earth, taking only what we must and no more. We affirm our human longing that all of us will live in right relationship with all other animals on this earth. May the animals close to us remind us to live out and make real our best intentions as part of the family of all animals. We are in this together, this interdependent web of all existence, brought together by hope, held together by love. Amen and blessed be.
Join me in singing We Give Thanks again. Oh, we give thanks for this precious day, for all gathered here and those far away, for this time we share with love and care. Oh, we give thanks for this precious day. One more time. Oh, we give thanks for this precious day, for all gathered here and those far away, for this time we share with love and care. Oh, we give thanks for this precious day.
We will extinguish the imaginary flame that has held our time together, but we will carry forward that flame in our hearts, that flame that cannot be extinguished, for it lives in each of us, reminding us that we are connected, held always in a larger love. Our worship, our celebration of the animals in our lives is over. May the work that we do in their honor, in relationship with one another, continue. May we take some time to just enjoy this absolutely gorgeous view that we are so grateful to enjoy here in Racine. May you know love. May you carry that love forward to all you meet until we return again. Amen. Blessed be, and thank you so much for being here this morning.
It's gone.
I'll be leading the song You've Got a Friend in Me from Toy Story. If you are able to, I ask that you hold your pets, give them a big hug, sing in their face, and join in along if you can. Otherwise, have them in your hearts as we sing this song. You've got a friend in me. You've got a friend in me. When the road looks rough ahead and you're miles and miles from your nice warm bed, you just remember what your old pal said. You've got a friend in me. Yeah, you've got a friend in me. You've got a friend in me. You've got a friend in me. You got troubles when I got 'em too. There isn't anything I wouldn't do for you. If you stick together, we can see it through. 'Cause you've got a friend in me. Yeah, you've got a friend in me. Now other folks might be a little bit smarter than I am, bigger and stronger too, maybe, but none of them will ever love you the way I do. Just me and you, oh, and as the years go by, our friendship will never die. You're gonna see it's our destiny. You've got a friend in me. You've got a friend in me. You've got a friend in me.
She's accompanying you. All right, so that's what we have for this morning. Thank you, everybody. Next Sunday, we are back at First Pres at 11 with Doug Klum. Again, will be accompanying us. He's back. He was so he'll be back.